Go.
This is my house.
You're on.
This is Lizzie's fairy house.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, she has a nice bush
Oh, I like
over
the
it
trees
to
there.
protect her. And sometimes when it shakes,
Poor Foxy's gonna be a lady.
it's like falling
Yeah.
down, right?
Very cool.
And like over there is the secret room, only it doesn't look like a room, but it really is. Here's
There's a
where
secret
they,
room in there.
yeah.
Okay.
Here's the little door right in there. And where Rover sleeps. Here's where they sleep.
Uh-huh.
It's right in there. And like this thing.
Mm.
Like this is their shelter and stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Alright.
So that's the fairy house.
That looks cool.
Awesome.